SEMA 2017 in the Sherwin-Williams booth. I'm Jason Bair. I'm owner of Bair Customs out of Fort Wayne, Indiana. I'd like to show you guys this beautiful 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. We're calling it the Raging Bird. This car started life as a factory 69 Roadrunner, but wasn't good enough for us. Wanted to take it up a notch, add a little more power, add a little more handling, add a crazy custom color from Sherwin-Williams. We really started with a clean donor car to begin with, one of the cleanest ones I've ever really found in California. The car had all original sheet metal on it. We decided to pull that thing down, throw this crazy Sherwin-Williams paint job on it. We really started by doing some sheet metal repair. The car was so clean that you would normally hang quarters, fix the trunk, all those things. This thing hardly needed anything. Threw it on the rotisserie. We actually did a kind of a gravel guard rhino lining on the underside that Sherwin uses. We actually tinted the color to match the paint on the top side. The paint was kind of the focal point of the car. We wanted to do a purple, but we weren't really sure where we wanted to go. I actually had the Sherwin branch help me take the plum crazy purple, add some extras to it. We actually created a tri-coat for this thing. We're calling it Purple Rage. I mean, you guys can see just in the show and the different lighting and things like that, it changes on you. In the sun, this color, it just explodes, it really does. And purple just seems to be kind of a popular color right now, and it seems to go with the theme of this car. You know, when you get a cool car with a cool color, you gotta have a cool engine as well. The Supercharged Hemi seems to be a very popular engine right now with the Hellcat coming out. We had Arrington help us with this engine. We took a 6.4 liter, stroked it to a 7 liter. We used the Whipple supercharger, and this engine makes 857 horsepower at the crank, almost 800 foot-pounds of torque. It is a monster. Tremec 6-speed behind it. We actually mini-tubbed the car so we could get a little bigger tire underneath there. You gotta help get a little bit of traction at least when you're in first gear. But it drives like it looks. That was really important to us. Gotta have some horsepower, gotta have the cool wheels, and I think we hit it out of the park. You know, I gotta thank Sherwin-Williams for the opportunity to be in the SEMA booth, and we'd love to be back anytime they'll have us. SEMA 2017, I'm Jason Bair with Bair Customs, the Raging Bird.